The weather has changed so much during our time in Michigan. Maybe it's the lake effect or just some wild spring weather, but we've experienced everything from chilly mornings to 80-degree days and even a thunderstorm a few days ago with 80-mile-per-hour wind gusts. This morning we woke up to the sound of soft rain falling on our camper. We weren't expecting a rainy day, but it turned into the kind of slow and peaceful day that we used to dream about having.
Should we play some Yahtzee?
Oh,
Damn.
Yahtzee!
Wow. Impressive. Full house or not? I think we can do a full house. Beat me by 150.
Well, we were going to drive around and look at houses, but it started pouring rain, and I think thunderstorm is rolling through, so we're going to avoid turning our burners on since the propane is outside, and just try to come up with a charcuterie board with what we have in the fridge. Get that pebble first.
Hello.